So what is a party kapag walang rice? So kailangan medyo bongga yung ating rice. We're gonna make a beefy paella. We're combining the flavors of really good tender beef and rice. So that's going to be our paella with beef, and we're gonna top it with a roasted bone marrow. For our second dish, I'm gonna show you two ways to make fish and chips. One is a butter crumbled air fried fish that's still crunchy without the excess fat. But if you want the traditional one, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Madaling-madali lang. It's a beer battered fish and chips that we're gonna pair with, of course, French fries, some tartar sauce, some Greek salad. Panalo yan for your party celebration. And for the third dish, again, a show-stopping roasted chicken, a favorite in our household. It's a Peruvian-style roasted chicken. We're gonna marinate it. We're gonna serve it with two kinds of sauces and a salsa called salsa Creole. So meron tayong chimichurri and peri-peri sauce. This recipe is for everyone because although it's not so difficult, the flavors are maximum. The flavors are just bursting there. So for those who are starting out, this is a way for you to get into creative ways of preparing for your party. And for those of you who've been doing this for so long, para maiba naman, a different take and a different style, especially for the two types of fish and chips. So yung ingredients for this is very easy. Walang kahirap-hirap. Most of them you can find anywhere. And plus, I'm gonna give you alternatives just in case gusto mo magpalit ng mga types of fish, type of beef, type of rice. So walang problema yon. So let's get ready to party and learn these three recipes para may bago kayong bonggang handa for that next party. So join me as we make these celebration trays only here at the Bailiwick Academy.